Welcome back to the Better Way to Get Away tutorial series. This time, water pumps. With all of our Crusader vans, our water pumps are located on the outside, just behind the wheels. Now the beauty with these is that we can control all our water tanks just from two valves. Our water tanks are not joined together until they come to the pump, so they will not equalize together over time. It is purely what you put in the front or what you put in the rear tank, or if you've got three tanks, they're going to stay like that until we use it. So we can see here, you turn your water pump on. These two taps, so this one is for the front tank, this one's for the rear tank. If we turn it in this position, it is off. In this position, it's on. So right now, we're going to be sucking up from both tanks. So if you just weight distribution, or if you just like using one tank more than the other, we're simply just gonna turn the rear off, so we're only drawing from the front, as we can see there. So what do we recommend? Really, it's personal preference. It's how your weights are, how much you got on the timer boot, things like that. But yeah, if you leave them both on, they're both just going to drain together. That's all. Obviously, if we plug into mains pressure, we don't need to use the pump. So all we need to do is we're going to have a valve like this on the van. Some are here, some are in front, but most of them are right near the water pump. So if we pull this open like so, you plug your mains water in there. So if you plugged into a caravan park, that's where your mains goes, and we do not need to have the pump on if we do that. All right, so right now you plug in there, leave the pump off, and you use all the water from the mains water you're plugged into. On some of our vans, the Musketeers and the Life Changers do not get this as standard, but you got two more taps over here. All right, now this is very important you'll see this, as a lot of people leave these on and then wonder why their pump keeps running. It's very common. So if these are like this is how we can fill the tanks up, by being plugged into the mains inlet. All right, so if we turn these on, we're going to fill both tanks up. That is off, as we know. That means we're just filling the front tank now. All right, so leave that on. We're going to fill the front tank. How do we know when it's full? It's just going to overfill by the breather. Once it's full, we turn it off. So always have these in this position unless you are going to fill the water up.